2024 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.